Hey everyone, Grant Alexander here. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm in my son's room, and I'm going to be making a bookshelf to go behind this door. And it's going to look like this. So stay tuned and enjoy. A lot of the wood I have already has these little holes drilled out in it, and what I'm going to be doing is drilling them all out to the same size, 3/8 of an inch, and then using my plug cutter to make some plugs and putting them in there. because this shelf is so narrow, you can't put books in it like this because they just hang over the edge. So instead, I'm going to have books in there like this, but in order to stop them from falling out, I'm going to add this little bit of paracord, and I think it will make it so that the book can't slide out from the bottom, and so that it can't slide out from the top. I'm going to be placing a sacrificial block behind every spot that I drilled, and that'll help to minimize tear out with the drill bit. To mount this to the wall, I'm going to use a French cleat system. I'm going to cut a 45-degree angle on a board and then mount one half of the board to the wall and the other half to the bookshelf. After the first coat, I'm going to give it a light sanding with 220 grit. Then I'm going to wipe it down with a tack cloth and give it another coat. I really hope you enjoyed this project. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I know I really love how this butternut wood, with all these little imperfections in it, turned out, and the blue really is a nice contrast. If you enjoyed this project, you probably enjoy my friend's channel. There's a link in the description below, the Dutch Shed Wood Shop. He made a very similar thing for his son, and that's what inspired me to make this one. Until next time, have a great day. Dada fixed the light, and now Dada's doing something different. Now he can see, 'cause Dada fixed the light.